Nagtitinda ako ng e-bike. Tulad nitong gamit ko. Rocket, 350 watts motor. 48 volts 15 ampere lead acid battery.
Sa Skyro, buy now pay later. Pwede na makakuha ng hulugang e-bike ang mga customers mo.
There you are. Volta. Hi.
Wow, Homer, may ikar ka na pala.
You've noticed, partner. This e-car has 2,500 watts motor powered by 60 volts, 52 ampere lead acid battery. It's air conditioned and has 3 different versions. We can help your customers avail this e-car or any other electric vehicle if they have a product loan offer from Home Credit that is either equal or higher than the unit selling price. Another good news is that they can borrow a maximum cash loan amounting to 150,000 pesos.
Ma'am, sa Skyro, maaring humiram ng cash loan yung mga customers nyo hanggang to 50,000 pesos.
Wow, pareho ko na kayong gawing kapartner sa negosyo ko. Kaya ay download nyo na ang app at mag-message sa Voltride PH para matulungan namin kayong makakuha ng hulugang e-bike.